맞아주시기 바랍니다.
Thank you. All right. Hello, everyone. It is very nice to meet you. Today, we are diving into, let's see, it's working, yeah, into how AgensSQL Enterprise gets a powerful boost with AGE. So think of it as a blending the strengths of classic databases with modern graph capabilities. Now, let's dive into the best of the two worlds, the graph and the relational. So before we deep dive, let me share a little bit about myself. So I'm currently the US R&D Director at Bitnine Global, and also have the honor of serving as a community chair at Apache Software Foundation and the Vice President of Apache AG. So again, nice to meet you. Thank you for being here today. And let's take a look at the agenda today. So we will talk a little bit about AgensSQL, the understanding of AgensSQL, then Apache AG's role, and their connection, and at the end we'll do a summary. We'll basically wrap it up. So moving on to the next section and slide, let's talk more about AgensSQL. So AgensSQL presents a comprehensive enterprise package. It's built on the foundation of Postgres server, ensuring data reliability. The advanced core engine showcases, as you can see in this slide, an integration of built-in extensions and even provides Oracle compatibility. A notable feature here is Apache AG, which effectively merged the relational and graph databases. This package also includes the Agents Enterprise Manager, streaming tasks from administration to migration. So AgensSQL offers 3 different editions. As you can see in this slide, the standard edition includes DBMS functionality and AEM management tools. The enterprise edition builds on top of this, adding high availability and Oracle compatibility. And finally, our Edition Plus extends further with the graph analysis solution and also featuring Apache AG and Graphizer, which we will dive deeper into the Plus edition and Apache AG in the next slides. So, all right, let's unpack what's in the Plus edition. So on the left, as you can see in the slide, we do have the DBMS, which includes our core database management system, AgensSQL. When it comes to the architecture, we offer the robust Agents HA Manager and ensure Oracle, again, compatibility. When it comes to the graph analysis and BI solutions, this solution is powered by AGE and Graphizer. And again, when it comes to the management tool, we provide comprehensive management capability through AEM Admin, Monitor, and the Migrator Plus feature. So now, more specifically, when it comes to graph analysis solution, Apache AG provides graph databases functionalities, supports fast query processing, asset transactions, and hybrid queries, which we'll get to it later. And also at the same time, Graphizer, it's an easy and smart graph tool. It combines the power of RDB and GDB, offering a hassle-free and no-code experience. So below the Graphizer, as you can see, we do have an AG Viewer, which is a tool for visualizing your data and understanding your data better. And also, finally, at the bottom, we do have the AG Loader, which is a dedicated tool for loading data into our system. So whether you are migrating from another graph database or integrating via CSV, the AGE Loader streamlines the process efficiently. All right, so turning our attention to Apache AG's integration with AgensSQL. So this integration and this combination enhance the data relationship, capturing intercase connections. It advanced query function, allow for precise data extractions, and notably, it offers hybrid data modeling, merging traditional relational structure with the depth of graph paradigms. Okay? So before we talk more about Apache AG's structure and technical aspects, let's take a look at the Apache AG journey to top-level project. In 2019, Bitnine donated this project, Apache AG, to Apache Software Foundation. With the support of our core developers, such as John, Dihab, and some external people, Jasper, and others, we began this process. Then Apache Champion guided us through this journey. We refined ideas, gained sponsors, and received advice from mentors from big companies such as Google, SafeGraph, Alibaba, and so on. After that, for 2 years, we adhered to Apache standard. We followed their licensing, their policy, and also all the release requirements. And also our community support and the project management committee of Apache AG vote was really crucial in this process. So they all had to vote to accept this project. And finally, by May 2022, AG became a top-level project, graduated, showcasing our teamwork and Apache's excellence. Okay, now let's dive more technically in Apache AG. So Apache AG, what is it? So let's take a look at it more. So Apache AG is a plugin that adds graph database feature to PostgreSQL. It stands out by letting you use both OpenCipher and SQL together, hybrid query. And also with Apache AG, searching through connected data is super fast. And more than just queries, with our visualization tool, it is also giving you and helps you to see and understand your data better. To sum up, Apache AG brings together the best of relational and graph databases. It's fast, flexible, and helps you understand your data better. So now, why Apache AG, right? Apache AG provides 4 key benefits for your tech stack. It's built on the robust foundation of Postgres, offering quality and support from the decades of development, reliability, and performance improvement. It offers flexibility by blending relational and graph databases, and enabling analytics without the need of other systems. And also, at the same time, backed by the active Apache Software Foundation community, ensuring ongoing enhancement and maintenance. Also, its support for Cypher and SQL makes it easy and flexible to be integrated into existing tools and workflow with a minimum friction. Now that we talked about Apache AG and AgensSQL, let's explore the outcomes of having AgensSQL and AGE as a unified solution, right? So when it comes to data modeling, AgensSQL handles structured relational data, while AGE excels at graph modeling for interconnected data. This allows profound cross-domain analysis, linking structure and interconnected data seamlessly. So for example, if you have a use case requiring both models, relational and graph data formats, utilizing AgensSQL is highly beneficial. This is because AgensSQL integrates with AGE, and it will simplify the process of handling both data structure. Now, when it comes to performance and flexibility, starting with AgensSQL, we witness high performance in transactional workloads. It's designed for quick data retrieval and updates, essential for applications requiring instant responsive. Now, when it comes to AGE, if we look at it, its strength is showcased in its ability to offer quick traversal of complex relationship and graph structure. Imagine navigating intricate data webs with ease, identifying pattern and insight faster than traditional methods. So the synergy in this case offers enhanced query speeds and the flexibility of dual language queries without needing to change any system or infrastructure. Basically, experience, performance, and flexibility combined in this case. Okay. So, AgensSQL also offers a reboost architecture, adaptable to varying workloads. Whether you are growing business or a large-scale enterprise, AgensSQL supports your growth. Meanwhile, AGE excels in managing intricate, large-scale graph databases. So it ensures seamless navigation and performance even as data complexity increases. So together, in synergy, they offer unparalleled scaling across both relational and graph data models, promising consistency and integrity in every transaction. In our upcoming presentation, after my presentation, we will provide insight into transition from relational to graph data. Okay. And at the same time, AgensSQL, when it comes to the cost efficiency, it offers a comprehensive solution, which means fewer platforms are needed, simplifying both infrastructure and management costs. AGE, on the other hand, eliminates the need for separate graph database costs. With AGE, organizations can harness the power of graph databases without incurring additional expenses. So both systems provide unique avenues for cost saving, allowing businesses to choose based on their needs and existing infrastructure. So the key takeaway in this case is that smart database choice can lead to substantial cost efficiencies. Okay. And finally, in wrapping up our exploration of cutting-edge database solutions, imagine a world where the power of AgensSQL and AGE converge. So bringing together the best of relational and graph databases. Seamlessly integrating with Postgres, it's like fitting a small, a familiar puzzle piece into the place. And what's the magic is that you can get to speak in SQL and Cypher at the same time and under the same roof. So this isn't just about raw power, it's about optimized, uncompromised performance. And remember, with AGE plus Postgres, we are not just talking about today, we are talking about the next step in database evolution. And by saying that, I will end my presentation. Thank you, everyone.
네, 발표해 주신